Many people, they translate the Arabic word Salah into prayer. Prayer is not the appropriate translation of the Arabic word Salah. Because to pray means to besiege, to ask for help. Like how you besiege, like how you ask for help in a court of law. Dua is a supplication. And in Salah, besides asking help from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we glorify Him, we are receiving guidance from Him. Therefore, Salah is simultaneously called as a programming towards righteousness, or conditioning, or in layman's terminology as brainwashing. But if you're going for Salah, and if anyone asks you that where are you going, and if you tell them that I am going for brainwashing, or for conditioning, or for programming, it may sound a bit odd. Therefore, I do not have any problem if anyone uses the English word prayer for the Arabic word Salah. But I would like to remind them that it's not the appropriate translation. And the moment you hear the word programming, you start thinking of a computer. If you allow me to call the human being a machine, I would call it the most complicated machine on the face of the earth. Much more advanced than the most advanced computer. And we human beings, we are the ashraful makhluqat, the best of the creations. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Teen, chapter number 95, verse number 4. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. Verily, we have created human beings in the best of forms, in the best of molds. And the psychologists, they tell us that the mind, it is not directly under our control. But our body, it is directly under our control. If I want to raise my hand, I can raise my hand. If I want to take a step forward, I can take a step forward. But the mind, it is not directly under our control. Our body is directly under our control. That's the reason many of us might have experienced that while we are offering Salah, our mind wanders. And for example, if a student, after appearing for an examination, he offers Salah, he will start reviewing the examination paper in his mind. He may think that in question number 2, I should have written this instead of writing that. If a businessman offers Salah, he may think that how much profit have I made? How much goods have I sold? If a housewife is offering Salah, she may think that what should I cook for my husband? Should I cook biryani or should I cook pulao? If a teenager is offering Salah, he may think that what should I text to my friend? When should I call my friend? Therefore, there are high chances that while we are offering Salah, our mind will wander. And why does our mind wander? Because our mind is empty. And a human mind, it cannot remain empty. That's the reason it wanders. And we know the basic things that we recite in our Salah, Surah Fatiha and other short surah of the glorious Quran. It's mechanical. And the Muslims know it so well that even if you wake up a Muslim from the middle of his sleep and ask him to recite Surah Fatiha, he'll be able to do it 100 miles per hour. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, maliki yawmiddin, iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Ameen. It's mechanical. Because only a minute portion of your mind is used in recalling it. This is the case with Surah Fatiha and other short surah of the glorious Quran.